Hi, I'm Matt with Contra Vision, and we're showing you today the 5 perf patterns that you can get our film in. We start here with our 50/50. This is primarily designed for vehicles. And then 60/40, which is listed as the top choice for versatility because you can use it in so many ways, but more often than not, it's used for transit, things buses, trains, trams. 70/30, which is a fantastic product we use mostly for retail, and 80/20 you can see for maximum privacy, but mostly for building wraps. You've got this great color and real rich depth. But in the middle, we have the best product that we build. This is our HD product. It's a high performance film with a micro dot. So these 4 on the outside all have the same dot, just arranged in different patterns to give you more surface area or more removed area. But what we do here is we shrink the dot size and we rearrange the pattern. And what it does is it creates an incredible amount of image quality on the outside. On the inside, though, it provides us the most view through. So if you come around to the other side, you can see what people traditionally think is the most view through, 50/50, advancing to 60/40, over to 70/30, and then to 80/20, which is our maximum amount of privacy on the other side. But in reality, our 60/40 HD, both of these are actually the same amount of surface area. It's just a rearrangement of the dots pattern and the whole size. HD provides us the greatest amount of view through. It's an incredible product. Visit contravision.com to find out more.